Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in your hotel room. First, gather your instant coffee, a mug, and any desired additions like sugar or creamer. Next, locate the coffee maker or electric kettle provided in your room. Before you begin, quickly check that all the equipment is clean and ready for use. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your morning brew. Now, fill the electric kettle with fresh tap water, making sure not to overfill it. Plug it in and turn it on, allowing the water to heat until it reaches a rolling boil. While the water heats, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your favorite instant coffee into your clean mug. Adjust the amount based on your preferred strength for a perfect cup. Once the water is boiling, carefully pour it into your mug, leaving a little space at the top. Stir the coffee thoroughly with a spoon until all the granules have completely dissolved. Now is the time to customize your drink. Add sugar, creamer, or milk to taste, making it just how you like it. Enjoy your freshly made hotel coffee. After enjoying your coffee, it's good practice to quickly rinse your mug and any utensils you used. Remember to turn off and unplug the coffee maker or kettle for safety and to conserve energy. Staying hydrated is also key when traveling, so consider carrying a reliable water bottle. For a great option and other deals, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching and happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.